In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct a site audit in Semrush in just 5 minutes. A site audit is an essential task for any website owner or digital marketer because it helps identify and fix issues that could impair your site's performance and search engine rankings. So, let's dive right into it. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and type in Semrush in the search bar. This will take you to the main page of Semrush, where you will see options to log in or sign up if you don't already have an account. It's important to have access to this platform because Semrush is an invaluable tool for analyzing your website's health. Once you're logged in and at the dashboard, you'll want to locate the Create SEO Projects button. This is where the auditing magic begins. Click on this button, and you'll be prompted to add the domain of the website you're auditing, along with a project name. The project name could be anything descriptive that helps you remember the audit, like the website name plus the current month. After this, hit Create Project and Semrush will set things up on the back end. Now, take a look at the left sidebar on your screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Site Audit. Click on this, and you'll be presented with a list of sites you've set up. Choose the site you want to audit by clicking on it. Once you initiate the site audit, Semrush will conduct a thorough check of your website for critical technical issues. The tool is diligent, scanning for crawlability problems, like broken navigation links, improper redirects, and even pages that are too deep within your site's structure. These issues can severely impact how both users and search engines interact with your site. Moreover, Semrush will check your robots.txt file and sitemap. These are essential components of your website's technical SEO framework. Errors in these can prevent search engines from properly indexing your site, which can hurt your search rankings. Having an accurate and error-free sitemap and robots.txt can significantly enhance how efficiently search engines crawl and understand your website's content. In conclusion, performing a site audit in Semrush is straightforward and quick, yet it provides profound insights into your website's overall health. Regularly conducting such audits can really make a difference in ensuring your website remains optimized, user-friendly, and ready to rank higher on search engines. Don't forget, keeping your site well-maintained is an ongoing process, and using Semrush makes this task far easier and more effective. Thanks for watching today, and I hope this guide makes your auditing process smoother and more efficient.